Good morning everyone and welcome to this vlog. Frida, Nugget is climbing on Frida, and Minnie are waiting. They haven't had their pee flag this morning. Hi Nugget. No, Nugget is shaking her head. Today I definitely need to clean out the guinea pig's cage. They love to have hay everywhere on the fleece liner and they love to sleep in the hay and they always pull it out of the hay rack and they love to snuggle with it, but after a while I have to clean it and throw the hay that's on the floor away. Right, Nugget? You guys don't eat it anyway. You just use it for sleeping. Frida really wants a pee flag. Alright, so morning pee flag for everyone. Frida. Nugget. Oh, Gatsby! Gatsby, wait! I need this hand to get a pee flag for you. Nugget, don't climb on Gatsby. Gatsby really doesn't like it. No, that's what that one's for Gatsby. One for Sylvester, who's standing on the side so that Nugget can climb on him, and one for Minnie. You're very motivated. Ouch! Nugget, you're very motivated for pee flags today. Nugget, get one. Not enough? Don't bite into my hand. Not enough, apparently. No. Minnie, you look very cute. You too, Sylvester, of course. You too. Minnie and Sylvester are my heaviest. Nugget is still climbing on my head. Minnie and Sylvester are my heaviest guinea pigs. So they always look super fluffy and adorable when they're standing next to each other. Nugget! Right, I guess they also desperately need a hay refill. And camera is kind of secure. Hey! Oh, Sylvester, now you're full of hay. Okay, so the guinea pigs are happily munching on hay, and while they're doing that, I'm going to quickly pan over to our last package of GuineaDad hay. And if you've seen the video where I showed you the hay, you know that I'm being sponsored by GuineaDad and that we got the hay packages for free. And this is the last one, and as you can see, it's kind of empty. So the guinea pigs made it through 6 packages in a month. And so 5 guinea pigs ate 6 packages in a month. And they were super happy with it. It was really nice quality. It was super green. Also, a lot of the guinea pigs' favorite hay pieces were in there. And the package also doubled as a hidey, and as you can see, the guinea pigs chewed on it quite a bit, so they had a lot of fun with the packaging. So definitely a thumbs up from my guinea pigs. Now it's empty, so I'm using this package as a hidey because the guinea pigs really love hiding in this and sleeping in this. So it's going to stay in the cage for a little bit longer. I also wanted to apologize for the video being late. So I usually upload on Tuesdays and Saturdays, and then sometimes I upload on Thursdays. So Saturday is always the information kind of big video that takes a lot of time to edit. And then Tuesdays, I always do a vlog. So for example, the floor time vlog would be a typical Tuesday video or just a regular vlog. And then on Thursdays, I sometimes upload like a small video that doesn't take a long time to edit. So like, I don't know, the guinea pigs eating dill. Or the guinea pigs eating parsley, that would be a typical, or the guinea pigs eating watermelon. Things like that, that would be a typical Thursday video. But if you've been following me for a while, I used to be a university student and now I'm actually working, so I do have an offline job and I really need to finish a very important presentation. And yeah, so that's why the video is late. Because I also have a different kind of job that doesn't have anything to do with YouTube, that's just there. That's where I spend a lot of time during the week. And then on the weekend, it's always guinea pig fun, right, Sylvester? Or you know, I film a video, my Instagram subscribers control my day, and then I can't go to work because you guys all vote that I have to play with the guinea pigs. But yeah, I just wanted to address this because I feel like I don't share so much of my offline work anymore, but it doesn't have anything to do with the behind the scenes of editing or anything. It just doesn't have anything to do with the guinea pigs. The guinea pigs don't know that yet, but I also bought dill yesterday because it was on sale in the supermarket. So, Sylvester, I have a surprise for you later. Sylvester is too busy with the hay. Nugget has grown so much, it's crazy. She used to be so tiny. When I now see videos of her when she was a baby, she was just, she could fit easily into my hand. And now she barely fits into two of my hands. But she's also 6 months old, so halfway there to being a grown-up guinea pig, Nugget. I really need to clean the cage, but Gatsby's so happy sleeping on top of the hay and eating it at the same time. I'm going to wait a couple of minutes, but then these liners have to go into the washing machine, Gatsby. I'm sorry. Okay, I think Gatsby is now ready for some cage cleaning. So I'm taking everything out. Huh, Gatsby? That's always super interesting to you. Nugget is really tame. Gatsby is waiting probably for the brush to appear. Also with the dustpan. She's obsessed with dustpan and brush when I clean the cage. And always wants to play in it and always wants to eat the brush. So she's probably waiting until I get it so that she can eat it. Sylvester. So for everyone who said they never heard Sylvester talk or squeak, that's Sylvester talking to himself. He doesn't say a lot, so that's quite unusual, the amount of noise he makes right now. Okay, finally managed to clean these two fleece liners because Gatsby wasn't sleeping anymore. Happy, Gatsby? It's really warm today. Minnie is checking the camera. Mr. Very Vocal Sylvester. Nice! The cage is super clean now. I'm really happy. It looks really nice and clean. I can't say the same for my apartment because I feel like there's dust and hay everywhere now. So I'm going to clean this next. And you can hear the washing machine in the background because it's on. I always do the long cycle, which is almost 3 hours. I have 2 cycles which are kind of the same. They're both 30 degrees and a gentle cycle, and one is 1 hour and 30 minutes and one is almost 3 hours, and the almost 3 hour one uses way more water and it cleans the fleece liners way better. Sylvester's just running around. What is it, Sylvester? Looking for your hay? There's Sylvester. I think everyone is pretty happy now. They don't even need the dill. Gatsby is full of hay. But I'm going to get the dill anyway. Nugget, I hear you! Gatsby! That's it! Minnie! It only took you guys, what, 30 seconds to eat everything? In case you're wondering, the glass panel isn't in. I'm sorry. That's it? Oh, Gatsby still found something. You ate everything! You guys need to check out Frida. She has something. Oh, Sylvester got it. That's a first. Good job, Sylvester. Gatsby gets something as well. And Minnie stole it. I think Minnie is the biggest vegetable thief that I have. And she's also really strong, so when Minnie has set her heart to stealing a vegetable, she usually also gets it. Alright, I think this is going to be it for today's vlog. They ate the dill way faster than I expected them to eat it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Bye!